Have you ever imagined running 3 services at once? Automatic motorbike wash, helmet cleaning, and even a small coffee corner, all in just a compact space? It may sound a bit unusual, but this model is already working well in many urban areas across Southeast Asia. Today, I'm going to show you how this simple yet smart concept works and why it could be the perfect start for your next business idea. Let's be honest, traditional motorbike workshops are facing a lot of challenges. Firstly, it's hard to hire reliable workers, labor costs are rising, but the survey quality isn't always consistent. Secondly, during peak hours, customers have to wait long, and during quiet time, your shop is underused. And there's nothing unique about the experience. You wash, you leave, no customer loyalty. Now imagine this instead, a fully automatic motorbike wash system that takes only a few minutes and a helmet cleaning machine that cleans, sanitizes and dry helmet within 10 to 15 minutes. And while customers wait, they can enjoy a drink at their small coffee corner, creating a relaxed and friendly atmosphere. So what does this mean? It means faster service, cleaner, more consistent results, and a better customer experience that encourages repeat visits and referrals. You are no longer just offering a wash, you are offering convenience, comfort, and care. So how does this model perform in real life? The beauty of this setup is in its efficiency and multiple revenue streams. Firstly, each motorbike wash just takes about few minutes, helping you serve more customers per day. Secondly, helmet cleaning adds another layer of hygiene and professionalism that riders truly appreciate. And finally, your favorite sale not only enhance the customer experience but also bring in extra daily revenue. Many operators have found that combining these services increase their overall customer value and helps build a stronger, more memorable brand. And what do you need to start something like this? Firstly, a small to medium space, ideally located near residential area, school or local markets. Secondly, standard water and electricity access. And finally, basic training, which we at Go&Go offer through hands-on support and professional guidance. You don't need years of experience in bike wash or detailing, just the right tool and the right mindset. In short, this model is more than just washing bike. It's about building an automated, customer-friendly business that can scale and adapt to urban needs. If you are looking for a smart investment on a business idea that balances innovation and simplicity, this might be it. Want to see the system in action or discuss how it could fit in your local market? Just leave a comment or reach out to Go&Go for a full consultation. Thanks for watching and see you in our next videos.